Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. This is December Daily 2024, and today I am working on day 4. I decided to make this like a double page because I really don't have a lot for this page. Just have a single flip up photo, and I thought on this side I would do a little title. I grabbed some stickers and my embellishment tray, and that's pretty much where we are. So I will put you on fast forward while I get embellishing. I don't think I showed it. I paused the camera. I apologize. But on the other side of this, I just basically used my glitter, foam glitter stickers to put Parade of Lights. I showed you those on the wax paper at the very beginning of the video. And then I had my little day 4 sticker, stuck that down, and I just grabbed one of the large floral elements from the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and that was it. I didn't want to make the front page too complicated. I really just wanted to get this page done because I am so far behind. So here I am, just journaling. And the little flip up that I made here is just a piece of white cardstock, and I had some scrap pieces of pattern Christmas paper that I just put on the front, and I had a little die cut black scallopy kind of thing, so I threw those on there as well, and that was basically this page done. I think altogether it might have taken 6-8 minutes. So you're watching me journal here more or less in real time, which is really rather boring. Sorry. And I promise to get back to my more regular uploads. We're actually starting Christmas break today at the end of the day. As I'm doing this voiceover, it's early morning, and the doggies are just kind of settling in for their morning nap, so I'm about to throw them in their crates as I get ready to go to school for the last day of school. Yeah, and this page is, I didn't want to decorate the front part of it too much because I love that paper so much. It's so pretty. It's got like a lot of postage stamp kind of images on the other side. You'll see it here at the end of the video as I flip it and show it to you. But yeah, I'm just basically journaling. This was from our Christmas parade, which actually happened in November. And because it's kind of a Christmas event, I don't mind that I filmed it in November or whatever, took the picture of it in November, and I'm putting it in my December daily, because for us it kind of kicks off the Christmas season, and it's a family tradition. So for me, that checks 2 boxes on my December daily list of photos. Still journaling. Apparently I had a lot to say about this photo. And I don't think I put a whole lot of extra on this page as well. I basically just took a couple of the big stickers from that sticker sheet. There was like a little banner that said Merry Christmas, and it was in 2 parts. So it was quite large, and I figured there's really not a whole lot of other places I'll get to use it. So I threw that on this page as well. Still journaling. And the doggies are fussing. Sorry if you hear them kind of snuffling in the background. Yeah. So it looks like I'm back to you live here in just a moment. And day 4 all done. As always, thanks for coming to hang out with me, and I will see you next video. Bye for now.